Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Winter's Roots box for January 2020. Alright. Smells nice. Smells so nice. So nice. So nice. Smells so nice. Dad, let Bubble out! Prosperity Magic. Looks like a little Lucky Charm. It's got like a 4 in it. Maybe Jupiter. I don't know. Bay Laurel. Nice. Yay! Wow, Lucky Hand Root. I don't have one of these. I don't even have a shop nearby that I can get this from. Yay, yay, yay! I'm so happy. I want to see you. Look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You got a little Yoda hand. Yes. Yay. Okay. Pretty little green, pale green candle. And of course we got some bay leaves. Yummy and good for lots of other things. This smells good. Ooh. Ooh, money draw. This is a very hoodoo box. I'm digging it. It's freezing because it was in my husband's truck. Ooh, it smells like, almost reminds me of Florida water, but some better smelling. What do we got here? Oh, looks like it might be a citrine. Or a heat-treated amethyst. Looks a lot like this too, but I think they're meant to be citrines. Let's check it out. Ooh, I got a spritzer here. Alright, we got this beautiful golden box. What's inside? Oh, pretty goddess. I need one for my hoodoo kit. A new one to come to me, and she's pretty. I mean, not my hoodoo kit, my bone throwing kit. She's just the right size too. Yay! Look at those breasts and hips and belly. She is looking fertile. Bring me some luck, beautiful, fertile little goddess. Lord knows I need it. Look at this sweet little hand. It's so cute. I love it. Alright, let's read this. In the coming months, we embrace the bountiful energies of growth in all aspects of our lives. As the days become longer, our ability to work on prosperity spells becomes heightened. Just as the moon waxes, the sun starts to shine. Prosperity and abundance come in many forms, including success that may lead to a more stable income. This can also be related to being guided to new opportunities, meeting the right people at the right time, or simply to invite more feelings of happiness and fulfillment into our reality. As we begin to focus on the manifestations of the new year among us, we set our intentions upon growth in its simplest form. As we use the items that we have created and sourced for this very collection, we call upon our guides and ancestors to push us forward into a prosperous and meaningful future. The magical items in this box are as follows. Bay leaves. Merit, distinction, tribute, and victory. Its qualities impart a wide array of wisdom and strength, from health and healing, strategical and tactical pursuits, psychic and mental clarity, to competitive, academic, or athletic endeavors. It's a purifier and protector, warding against dross, unhelpful, unwanted, or even destructive energies. Burn bay leaves to induce prophetic states of clairvoyance. Place them in your bed for prophetic dreams. You can write your goals or wishes on dried leaves and burn them. It's essential. and it may be substituted for other more rare, unattainable herbs. A great way to attract the flow of financial success into your world is to place the bay leaf on a dollar bill. Fold a dollar bill 3 times and place within your wallet. Cool. Very cool. There's more, but I'm just gonna, and here's the artwork. Prosperity sigil. Yep, energy of Jupiter. I thought I recognized Jupiter's symbol. Lucky hand root, so cute. We are thrilled to be able to include a lucky hand roots or cellup root to this collection. These beautiful and curious roots come from different species of orchids and are a must-have for our personal cabinet of witchery. Used in many hoodoo and root work rituals, the lucky hand root brings luck to all of our financial endeavors. Yes! Money draw ritual aura spray, bringing new opportunities for your financial endeavors. As you spritz it, visualize a gold light starting to gleam. It helps you attract money. It's clove, cinnamon, and bay, as well as a special mixture of money magnet oil from their personal cabinet. Abundance goddess pewter pendant with chain. So beautiful. Prosperity mini spell candle. It brings you energies of prosperity and abundance. Rough citrine stone with golden pouch, success stones, wealth and abundance. So bay leaves, lucky hand root, and the citrine placed in the golden pouch will be a nice success sachet. And inner luck ritual incense. It's a great box. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love everything. Perfect. This is always, the Witches Roots box is always a hit for me. I absolutely love them. I have a thought, idea, or plan for every single item in here, and I'm particularly enchanted with this beautiful thing. And also, I have a big plan for this lovely lady. And also, I'm really, really into this, and of course, I love everything. So, definitely a winner for me, and a great value. So, I'll leave the link in the description below. This is my 13th box of the Witches Roots. I've gotten it since it was created, and I absolutely love it. Please check them out. Thank you guys so much for all your support. My 900 subscriber giveaway should be coming up, as well as maybe 1 or 2 more boxes and some extra content for the rest of the month. But also, grad school starts up again, or has started again, and it's pretty intense. It's pharmacology. So, downside is a little bit less of me participating. Upside is pharmacology is particularly interesting, and I think it really closely relates to a lot of the work that we do, because a lot of herbs are still the basis for many of the medicines that we use. I mean, including benzoin, foxglove is what digoxin's made out of. Of course, willow bark created aspirin. You have your coca, which is all of your canes, but not just your cocaine, but like your benzocaines, your lidocaines. It's like those are chemically enhanced, but they originated with cocaine, which is a numbing agent. You have your opiates from poppy. Tons of things, tons and tons. Belladonna is a sedative. There's so many different things that are really really cool when you start learning about the origins and the chemical makeup and how these things work. Very adds a nice other layer to your magical work and your healing work. Anyways, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.